Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video. Today we are going on a night point of view drive with this car, the new Dacia Duster. And as you can see here, we have the facelifted version 2023 model with the new logo. You can see the new logo on the key as well. So let's start with the exterior design, very robust styling. You also notice the new front grille and the mask on this new 2023 model. The new logo is beautiful in my opinion. D and C letters like the links of the chain, and nicely integrated with the grille itself with the white elements, and also beautiful daytime running LEDs to go with the same pattern. And let's unlock it once again so that we can see those daytime running LEDs with the Y shape. And yeah, overall beautiful styling and also beautiful spec on this test car. Lichen Kaki is the name of the color. It's my personal favorite. If we take a look at the side, 4 meters 34.1 centimeter, that's the length of the car. We also have the beautiful 17-inch wheels on the model in our video. And from the rear, I will lock it and then unlock it once again. There we go, you see the indicators as well and the new LEDs. You see the beautiful design, and also these would be the stop lights. And yeah, of course, Dacia lettering at the back. And this is now the sticker, so the Duster lettering and 4x4 since we have the model with all-wheel drive. Let me also show you the trunk space. This car has 411 liters. You also notice the spare tire here. And yeah, well, I think we are now ready to go on a night point of view test drive. I want to hear your thoughts on the exterior design and how do you like this color. But now let's see this from driver's perspective. Alright then, this is the view in front of the driver. Let's start the car by pressing this button. The dials go up and back, and yeah, well, let's put the seatbelt on, and we are actually ready to start the drive itself. 6-speed manual on this one, so let's go. Now the model in our video, let's start of course by saying that this is the diesel version, 1.5 liter diesel with 115 horsepower and 260 newton meters of torque. 10.2 seconds is the time to reach 100, and top speed is 175 kilometers per hour on this 4x4 version. Speaking about the options, there are various options when we talk about the new Dacia Duster. So you can go for the petrol, diesel, and also the LPG version. There's also the option of 3 trims. This is the top of the line journey trim, and you can go for the front wheel drive layout or all wheel drive. This is the manual transmission, and also there's the option of the automatic transmission. So for example, on the 150 horsepower petrol model, you can go for the EDC, and yeah, well, I think that would be my ideal spec for this car. The 150 horsepower turbocharged petrol engine and the dual clutch transmission. But tell me in your comments, how would you spec yours? And yeah, well, those are the options when we talk about the powertrains and the specifications. 7 colors are available. Once again, this one is my personal favorite. And the layout here in front of the driver, the standard dials, the small screen between the dials with various information about your drive, and also the fuel gauge. And here in the middle we have, in this one, the 8-inch touchscreen with the navigation. And we are now going on a nice relaxed point of view drive through my hometown of Zagreb. I hope that you will enjoy this drive. Alright then, so next to the 8-inch screen You also have some physical buttons, for example, to turn off the start-stop system. Then you can go to eco mode when you press this one for maximum efficiency. Hazard lights are here, and also the camera views, which are available when you maneuver on parking lot, since this car has front, rear and side cameras, so the 360 camera view. One thing that I really love is the fact that the AC is on switches, so it's very easy to change the temperature and the air blower as well, so that is a big thumb up from me. You have the 4-spoke steering wheel, and also on the 2023 model, which got the updated looks and new logo, you also get this new lettering, Dacia lettering, right in front of us. And I think this is a very nice and clean design and looks much more fresh and modern compared to the older design. And yeah, it's definitely a big thumb up from me. Now the dials, of course, are the classic one with the rev counter on our left and the speedometer on our right. Here is where you have the cup holder, but it's not adjustable. Also 2 cup holders in this middle section. Start stop, you can turn it off, so I will now actually switch it off. And we can also check out the navigation view. There we go. And this infotainment system is very easy to use, and also it is very responsive. You can watch my full review. It will probably be live very soon. And on my full review, I will focus more on the infotainment system and the trunk space and stuff like that, so you can watch that video as well. This particular model has got 214 millimeters of ground clearance. Add to that the good approach angles and 4x4 that we have here, and you really have a good off-roader as well. So tell me in the comments, would you go for the all-wheel drive version, or would you go for the front-wheel drive layout, which would be like the standard spec? And you may notice also the illuminated USB ports here. And smartphone integration is available as well. And this button here makes the screen go black for night drives, for example, so no distractions. And you may saw now the blind spot assist that we have on this model, which can be very useful. See that? And speaking about the power of this car, 115 horsepower, and this one I think for most of the buyers will be just enough. Of course, I already mentioned the 150 horsepower 1.3 liter turbocharged petrol engine, which is the top of the line for this model. If you want a faster car, then that's the best option. That car has the acceleration from 0 to 100 in under 10 seconds and top speed of 199 kilometers per hour. will stop here for a moment just to show you a bit more of the interior. So this is it, the infotainment system, navigation view, then this is your home menu. Press this to go to vehicle settings, but you can also do it here. So 4x4 info is here, that's quite cool. And then vehicle settings once again are here, and yeah, radio stations, list of stations. Then if we go back, here is the smartphone integration, and the settings are here for the system. Then display, day mode is brighter, night or the automatic one, and yeah, well, that's pretty much it. Once again, if you press this, then you have this screen off. You just have few information. Maybe for night drive this would be nice. And if you press this, you have this screensaver, so you actually turn off the screen and you have the temperature, time and date. As you can see, it's 2 a.m. That's why we don't have so much traffic around us. And here you also see the panel actually for the volume. Let's turn on the screen again. There we go, and then here is where you would adjust the volume. Here you see the gear lever for the 6-speed manual transmission, AC on or off, then the circulation of the air, bunch of stuff can be adjusted in here. Here in the middle, decent amount of room as well. And by pressing this, you can switch off the blind spot assist, but I think this is very useful, so I will keep it on all the time. But let us now continue our drive. Alright guys, so that was it, the first night point of view test drive with the new Dacia Duster. Tell me in the comments, how do you like it? Do subscribe to the channel, as there will be plenty of more to come, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.